Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a ghost appear. First, select a location known for its history or reported spectral encounters. This could be an old house, a cemetery, or a place with a strong emotional past. Next, ensure the area is completely quiet and free from any interruptions. Finally, collect a few items that might resonate with a spirit, such as an antique mirror, a favorite object, or a photograph. These preparations are crucial for setting the stage. Now, let's prepare the atmosphere. Dim the lights significantly, or use only candlelight to enhance the spiritual ambience. This helps to create a more receptive environment. Next, it's vital to focus your intent and clear your mind of any doubts or skepticism. A strong, open mindset is believed to be essential. You might also consider incorporating a tool like a Ouija board or a pendulum, which some believe can facilitate communication with the unseen. With your preparations complete, it's time for the summoning. Speak clearly and respectfully, addressing the spirit and inviting it to make its presence known. You can use a simple phrase like, "We welcome you to join us." Maintain a calm and open demeanor, showing no fear, as this is believed to encourage interaction. Pay close attention to your surroundings for any subtle changes, such as a sudden drop in temperature, faint whispers, or flickering lights. During the experience, pay very close attention to any unusual sensations, like a feeling of being watched or visual cues such as shadows moving. If you believe contact has been made, ask your questions respectfully, allowing ample time for a response. Remember to be patient. Finally, when you are ready to conclude, thank the spirit for its presence and politely bid it farewell, ensuring a peaceful departure. This completes the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.